Hello there, this is James, your Director of Product Support here at Cliently, and this quick video will be discussing setting up your Cliently flows and content tips and tricks to avoid spam filters. This is also found on faq.cliently.com. Do a quick search for the word spam, or down in the description of our YouTube video here, it'll take you right to this individual article as well. So what are spam filters? Spam filters are programs that are used to detect unwanted emails to prevent those messages from getting to users' inbox. Most email providers these days have spam filters already running. You want to do all that you can in order to eliminate, your emails from being flagged as spam. So we'll go through and talk about how we can create flows inside of Cliently. We'll go through that quickly, but a couple additional steps here, and then we'll go through that. So step one, of course, you always want to review your emails and video messages before you send out to your individual contact leads inside of Cliently. Two, are you using time delays to separate emails in your campaign? You don't want to bombard your contacts and leads with the email message one after another after another. Step three, are you direct your email specifically to your client? By using Cliently tokens, you can set up your tokens to automatically populate your contacts, your leads information. You definitely want to do that, especially for subject lines and throughout the course of the body of those messages. And then four, be sure to include those unsubscribe links inside your flows as well. So let's go into Cliently real quickly. Let's go into our flows. So once again, our flows here on the left-hand side. You can access all your flows. You always want to review your information. If you're using tokens here, for example, here's an example of a quick token. We add tokens to our subject line here, and how we can add tokens inside the body of the text as well. We can go into our settings here, and we have our settings options here to the unsubscribe link. You always want to include this link, this information here, because you always want to provide your contact or lead a way to unsubscribe as well. With that, we will have a whole bunch of other different tips and tricks here as part of step 5 that really we talk about how you can create your content. And first is always be honest. Making sure your from name is accurate. Use your first last name. The to name is the recipient. Don't be sneaky. Spam filters will pick that type of stuff up. Use fewer words as part of your email subjects and decrease your open rates. Choose your reliable email service provider. We suggest using Gmail, Yahoo, Mail.com, or Hotmail. Avoid all capital letters. People don't want to see that, and in turn, spam filters might be able to pick that type of stuff up. Don't use conversational language. Avoid using too many spaces, extra capitalizations, or odd characters in the number of your words. Don't use sketchy phrases. Stay away from trigger words in the subject lines. For example, buy, cost, credits, discounts, all that type of stuff can be picked up by spam filters. Avoid using the word free. Don't use the word free. It just simply is a quick way to, a lot of people are using this in order to capture people's attentions for that. You certainly don't want to do that within your campaigns. Use a verifiable domain as part of your email provider and who your hosting provider is for your website, for example. Don't include disclaimers about spam. You don't want to say this is spam. That would definitely something that spam flaggers will pick that up. And then, of course, what you really want to do is test your email. Test your own email, making sure your email address is not domain or blacklisted. Definitely check out our MX tools or many different providers out there on the internet to help you out with that. But more importantly, always test your emails and video message by sending them to yourself and Cliently. And we'll talk to that real quickly here. So here I have this specific flow that I created together that included email. I'm spacing it apart with wait, then a video message and a phone call as well. And you notice once again I'm using tokens to populate that type of information. Of course, also using my unsubscribe links as well to making sure they're always included. Once you're ready to go, what you want to do is just create yourself as a contact inside of Cliently. You could do that by clicking on Add a Client here and just put your name. Once you have the contact card open, enter a simple or a test email address that you have for yourself. Over here on the right-hand side, what you want to do then, of course, is choose that flow that you just created and has all those great options included. What you want to do is start and send it out right now. You'll give it a couple seconds here, and the Cliently system will kick off that email to you. And it's going to show up right here as well that it has been sent out. And then, of course, you could wait those extra days if you wanted to. Or for like wait time, you just want to progress, all you simply have to do is just remove those individual wait times. The next options will in turn be sent out from your Cliently account to your individual email address as well. So here's a couple different examples of some emails coming out of Cliently to myself here. This is just a quick, easy way just to verify information, making sure there's no incorrect spellings, there's no grammar issues, and that type of stuff. All your individual tokens are being populated and all that type of stuff as well. So we hope that this video will help you understand and different things that you can do in order to make sure that your emails and your video message coming out of Cliently are not going to be into spam filters and are showing up inside of your contacts and leads inbox. Going forward, if you do have additional questions or concerns, please reach out to us by using this red help button and just let us know how we can help you. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.